Oh, she's going up these hills. I hear all this noise out there. I'm like, what is that? Why are they yelling? Oh, you want a picture with you?
Sophie! Oh my god.
Just start recording when things get good.
Yeah, I know.
Is there one on the ground?
Yeah, she's looking at him.
Oh yeah, I see him. He can't go up the tree because she's there.
Sophie, you're not a monkey. Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. She's like right there.
Oh my god.
She's gonna get it.
What is she doing?
Oh no.
Oh my god. She's gonna fall and break.
And she's gonna get her eyes scratched out. They have sharp claws.
Oh my god. Sophie? Sophie? You better not go up there.
She's climbing over that tree.
Where is she?
I don't know.
She's gonna fall and break her neck.
Maybe you should go out there. Let's see where she is.
Oh my god.